What's up, everybody? This is Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. So I got the OnePlus 7 Pro, right? A controversial device when it comes down to the cameras. But I got the OnePlus 6T. I've been thinking that the OnePlus 6T cameras may be better than the OnePlus 7 Pro cameras. I know we're waiting on some serious updates to fix the OnePlus 7 Pro, but you know what? Let's just put these two titans head to head and see if the OnePlus 7 Pro could beat the OnePlus 6T. Now in this video, I'm gonna do daytime only. And I'm out here at the lakefront of Louisiana, New Orleans, and we're gonna have some fun, and I'm gonna do some filming here. So sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. Alright guys, so this is 4K on the OnePlus 7 Pro and the OnePlus 6T. I'm gonna go audio from side to side so y'all guys can hear both devices in action. It's a windy day out here, so y'all guys may hear some wind in both of these devices. Which one gonna give you the better audio as I switch it from side to side? So look at the blues at the top there. Look at that, look at the clouds, look at the water effect there. And let's go and scroll around. Let me walk again. This is a gorgeous day. This beautiful day. A lot of cars rolling right now. But I'm shooting this at 4K. And look at the smoothness of both devices. Is the OnePlus 7 Pro better than the OnePlus 6T when it comes down to the cameras? You be the judge for yourself as looking at these videos and photos that I'm doing here. I tell you what, I don't know. But you be the judge for yourself. Look at that pole. Look how beautiful that pole is right there. Got cars coming along. Yes. Boom, there it is. Alright everybody, these are the front cameras of the OnePlus 7 Pro and the OnePlus 6T. You be the judge for yourself. Look at the colors. Look, I want y'all guys to be the judge for yourself. I can tell you that both devices look good. I'm looking at the viewfinder. I mean, look, you can't go wrong with either device, but which device give you the better clarity, the more background as far as the colors and the water rippling? And I'm going to go audio from side to side so y'all guys can hear the audio on both devices. This is Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about the OnePlus 6T and the OnePlus 7 Pro. See you guys on the next video. Peace. That's what I'm talking about, man. Look at that. See? That's what I'm talking about. This is fresh. I like this.